Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Everybody dealing with some fog this morning, and a few of us dealing with rain and thunderstorms. It's been fairly persistent rain and thunder here in Shreveport, Bossier City, where we've picked up about an inch of rain, and this is a warm front making its way up across the region, so it's really not showing much movement. So what's happening this morning, we're getting the training of thunderstorms basically over the same area like train cars on a track. So we have seen the rainfall totals add up. I wouldn't be surprised in Shreveport, Bossier City. We do have some roadway flooding here in the next few hours. You can see some of those 1 to 2 inch totals just on my drive into work this morning, those typical areas that take on high water. Already seeing some of that near the downtown area. So as you're out and about Shreveport, Bossier City this morning, and definitely over towards Webster Parish, even in Minden, we can see some roadway flooding as the rain going to be fairly persistent here through sunrise. And notice we really haven't seen much across the I-30 corridor, and probably won't today. I think for the most part the rain going to stay across East Texas and Louisiana. So we do have that front lifting out of the Gulf of Mexico. This will be with us for the next few days. So we are going to see those 40, 50, 60% rain chances continue through at least Thursday, and another cold front on the way Friday into Saturday. So we do have rain in the forecast through at least Saturday. Your temperatures this morning, you can tell there's a warm front out there. We're at 68 in Manny, 58 in Shreveport. Compare that to 48 in Idabel and 51 in DeQueen. Actually feels pretty nice no matter where you are. But one of the issues, if you're not seeing the rain, you do have some dense fog setting up across the I-30 corridor. As of right now, we don't have a dense fog advisory in effect, but I wouldn't be surprised maybe one is issued here over the next little bit. And you see the wind speeds fairly light, which is allowing some of that fog to set up this morning. As far as the afternoon highs, we should see a few locations in the 70s. I've undercut the forecast models just a little bit for Shreveport, gone with the upper 60s instead of the low 70s. 66 today in Texarkana, and the cooler spots north of I-30 in the low to mid 60s, so it will feel nice everywhere this afternoon. Robin's Toyota Futurecast shows the rain continuing across East Texas and Louisiana as the front just kind of stays in place here through the day today. So I would be surprised if we see some afternoon rain in Shreveport as well, but for Shreveport, Bossier, majority of the rain coming this morning. Wouldn't be surprised we do see a stray shower up towards Texarkana, but again, as we go into the day Wednesday, we'll see a better chance of rain and thunderstorms a little bit further north across the region. As far as the severe storm risk, Storm Prediction Center continues to show that risk for maybe some large hail with a few of these storms, really no high wind or tornado threat. Other thing we'll be watching, of course, those 1 to 2 inch totals in Shreveport, Bossier. Kind of a low end flash flood threat, but I wouldn't, just given the heavy rain that we did see over the weekend or last Friday into Saturday, maybe some spots where the water runs off a little bit quicker than others, so kind of a low end flash flood threat here. But this takes us through Friday. It's looking like the heavier rain will be I-20 and southward, where there will be some 2 to 3 inch totals and much lighter accumulations across the northern Arklatex. And I think the majority of that rain for the northern Arklatex coming with the cold front late Friday into Saturday. So kind of a messy forecast here. A couple of warm days will be in the 70s tomorrow. We do have a cold front moving through Thursday, so that will drop our temperatures into the 50s Thursday. We warm it right back up Friday for that next cold front Friday into Saturday, and that will cool us down big time. Late in the weekend, early next week, should see the sunshine return with highs dropping into the 50s.